Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make brown stew chicken. I've got some leg and thigh quarters and I already wash it with lime and I season it already, and the seasoning I use is salt, onion powder, garlic powder, ground ginger. If you haven't got ground ginger, you could use the fresh ginger as well. You could just beat it and add it to your sauce when you're going to steam down the chicken. And I use all-purpose and black pepper. So I already seasoned my chicken and leave it to marinate for over an hour now. So now I'm gonna fry it. Now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna start frying my chicken. So I'm gonna fry it on one side until it's brown, about 5 to 6 minutes, and then I'll turn over on the other side to make it brown as well. Then I'll add my seasoning to make my gravy. Now I turn my chicken over on the other side. So this is the oil remaining, so now I'm gonna drain off some of the excess oil. So this is my vegetable. I'm gonna stir fry it now, and then I'm gonna add my chicken and I'm gonna put it on a medium heat to steam for about 20 minutes. So this is my vegetable. I've added a bit of ketchup to make the gravy. So now I'm gonna add my chicken inside. So this is my chicken here, ready to go in the sauce. So this is my brown stew chicken after 20 minutes. So guys, now that my brown stew chicken is ready, I'm gonna show you how to make pumpkin rice. So I've got some chopped pumpkin, I've got scallion, I've got thyme, I've got a little piece of butter, I've got some pumpkin soup mix just for coloring, and I've got some coconut milk. So now I've added everything to boil, and I'm gonna leave it to simmer for about 20 minutes, and then I'll come back and I'll add my rice. Yes guys, this is my pumpkin after 20 minutes. So now it's cooked. I'm gonna add my rice. I wish you could smell it. Smell really nice. The coconut milk and everything. So this is the finished products guys. My brown stew chicken, my pumpkin rice with some corn and some veggies on the side, some tomato, cucumber, and a little romaine lettuce and some shredded carrots.